Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, viewers, wherever you are. Please share permission. Please send your permission. First, I want to thank you all for the opportunity for me to presentation today. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Hairil Akbar. You can call me Hairil. I am from Nautica 2C. Number of cadet 20.41.054. I am from Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Makassar. Majoring is Nautica. And for this time, in this presentation, I would like to talk you about basically English for sailor. Actually, basically English for sailor is the same as the common English we use. It's just that there are a few words and their different uses. There are also special phrases which can be only understood by fellow seamen. Vocabulary difference, for example, as in the word right, if on a board canoe as called starboard side on the left or port side, and many others. To get to know and learn more about the seafarers' conversation, please head a zone a possibility to next writings. Some example in sentences. Welcome on board. Good morning. Welcome on board. Do you have your seaman's book or and passport? What is your number? What is your seaman's book numbers and passport number? Are you married? Do you have a children? If yes, then how many? What is your position on board? About country and nationality, we are should be understood mention of the country and its citizen, or the nationalist origin of the person. As an example of the mention, he is an Indonesian. It will be mentioned as he is Indonesian, not he is Indonesia. For saying dia asal Indonesia or coming for Indonesia will be mentioned he is from Indonesia. Well, for Russia, it is called as Russian. India is Indian. Italy is Italian. People Sweden is called Sweden. Poland is Polish. Then Spanish is called Spanish. China is called Chinese, and Japan is called Japanese, and so on. Some example in sentences. The superintendent are from Poland, which mean the superintendent dari Polandia. just to make sure they are polished. The captain is from Russia. He is Russian, which means in Indonesian, the captain from Indonesia. Dia Indonesia, dia orang Indonesia. The third officer from Indonesia, and he is Indonesian. Are all the engineers come from India? Which mean, apakah semua orang mesin datang dari India? Is the chief officer Norwegian? Apakah chief officer Norwegia? Is the chief cook Indonesian or Italian? Apakah chief cook Indonesia atau Italia? The agent are Canadian. Agen itu Kanada. The owner are Spanish. And hopefully now you can distinguish the dimension of the country and origin of citizenship, mentioning for example Indonesia. For example, Indonesia of course has a different meaning when referring say Indonesian, because Indonesia is a country, and if we are saying Indonesian indicating nationalist or citizenship. Maybe that just for the time in this presentation. Thank you very much for great attention and active participation throughout this presentation. I am Hairil Akbar. Thank you so much for this time, for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.